Alright, vlog. We're just in the car, just hanging out, you know. And this dude took apart his entire interior because, hey, show me this. Because this button here, he said it's a little sticky. When you click it, he said it comes up a little bit slower than the other one. He took this whole thing apart just to fix that. And he doesn't clean his room. Alright, we're about to head out to Springfest. It's gonna take you guys along with us. Remember last time we got stuck here?
Yeah, you got stuck here?
Remember the battery died?
Oh yeah. 형 여기 알이 맞지 그거 있지?
It has a wing on it.
하늘색 already.
Oh, we got GTR, it's bagged. R32 TE S15, it's pretty clean on Nismos. I really like this Type R. The spec on it is really nice. TEs look really good. The height's perfect. Recaros. So good. I literally love this R8. The V10 too, on bags. Oh my god. I like the color of this. It's fully carbon. Oh my god. Oh my, look how big that thing is.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
The homie's car, Alex. Damn, his new setup is so flossy. Oh my god. It's literally perfect. Pat's S2K. We'll be doing a build breakdown on this soon. Just got home from work. The package has arrived. I'm going to unbox this. Oops. Don't want to show my address. Oh yes. So I had BRs on my 328 in the past, and it was a good drop. So hopefully, I mean the BRs obviously aren't going to be as low as extreme lows, but for this car I don't plan to be super stanced out. I just want a good fitment. So I think this should do. Excited to put these on. Hello everyone, so I'm at the shop right now. I have the coilovers all laid out. I'm actually adjusting the preload at the moment. BC comes with a factory preload set, like they have when you get it out the box, it's already preset, but I kind of messed around with it. I'm maxing out the preload right now just so I can get the car to drop a little lower. It might drive a little stiffer, but I'm fine with that. Just because I want to get the car a little bit lower than what I've seen in pictures for the max low on the BRs. They don't carry the extreme lows for my car, but from a friend I heard that because these valve bodies are valved all the way down, it's actually the same style as the extreme lows. I'm not completely sure, but that's I mean, I just want to get the best height. So right now I'm gonna max out the preload, get the coilovers onto the car, and then I can give you guys a before and after of how much it dropped. And to be honest, getting coilovers on a car is like my favorite part of a build. Just like seeing the car go from factory height to a lowered stance, I think is like the most rewarding feeling. So this is gonna be real good. Once we get these in today, I'll give you guys a review on how they feel. All right, one more check-in. I just finished up maxing out the front, max low. Also pushed the preload a bit, and then for the rears I was gonna do the same thing, but the top doesn't have a top hat like the fronts do, so it's gonna be a lot harder to install if I have everything just maxed out. So I'm gonna leave it like this, install it onto the car, and then just drop it max low, and then adjust the preload from there. So that should be good. It looks pretty promising right now. Let's just see how low it goes. While he's getting the rear set up, I just remove these covers. Be very careful because they're really fragile. I just cracked this piece right here. I would just recommend prying it off from the inside, right here. You should be good for the rears. Top hats are exposed, and then for the front, there's a little cover that I threw out here. So it basically covers up this area here. You're gonna see the battery, everything you need. The top hat bolts are here, so we're gonna loosen these up while he's working on that. Get the end links off. Just got the top hats off. We're dropping it down now. Hopefully it just comes out. Well, kaboom! Second one now. Getting there.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys. Long night. Just to see how she sits now. I hope I don't have to adjust anything because I've just been here forever. That's pretty good. I'm really happy with that actually. Just space in the rear looks good. See the other side. This one's still in the air right? Oh no, it's not. Good. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm gonna just drive it now. Oh my god. A video of it in the daylight.
Nice.
It is dumped. Honestly, I don't want to go any lower because literally it's like on the ground in the front. When I get the E88, since they're gonna be 19s and these are 20s, I might be raising it up a little bit more, but for now I might just run it like this and just get alignment. But it is dumped right now. It's kind of cool because I've never seen any of them in person ever like lowered like this. I just didn't want to ruin a nice car, you know, but looks good. The fronts are crazy though. Damn, bro.
too. Yeah, it matches my suit, but I just don't like red color.
Try to test the colors for his big break kit. See what color he wants to get. Look, I'm telling you, red looks better, dude. Because it matches your seat. I like it because it matches your seat.
It matches, but it looks
I think it looks better than yellow. Okay, what's the other option?
Alright, we got
White.
silver.
Dude, oh, did you go buy spray paint just to get the color?
No, I just used what's in my house.
You had all those colors?
Yeah.
Red, dude, red is the best.
You think red's the best?
100%. 100%. But what if you kept it this color? Let me see the
Any color, dude. I just need more cardboard.
Dude, it matches your tow hook, it matches your seats and your carpets. I know, but you think red's basic, but like that's your color scheme though.
Dude, don't you see those kind of cool?
On black, it looks good.
It looks way better, huh?
Okay, I'll try the other one. Okay, yeah, dude, red looks the best. 100.
Really?
Yeah. Brake kit I'm getting is yellow, so let me just try this out. So ghetto, dude. Yeah.